It looks something like this.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a fun video for you guys today because I am filming this from my favorite place ever, which is 30A. So first off, I'm going to take you to the top level of the house that we're renting in 30A. This is the watchtower. This is just where I like to kick back my heels, relax, and look at this gorgeous view before getting ready for a night out. Well, I have a moment to myself and I'm just sitting here chilling out. I'm going to go ahead and give myself a mani. I'm using the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel polishes. This is a two-step system and you first do the Miracle Gel base coat. As you can see, it comes in multiple colors. I'm using the Get Mod color, which is this really pretty white shade. I think it's so fun for the beach. Applying 2 coats. Then after they're dry, I'm going to apply the gel top coat to just set my manicure in place. Once my nails are good and dry, I am going to apply some makeup. I'm going to go with a really natural face because, guys, I'm at the beach. So for a night out, what I'm going to do is just keep it really simple. You know, some CC cream, put the brows on, some really simple eye makeup, and a really just pretty nude lip. For my look, I wanted to wear something that was summery and cool and fresh, so I went with this wrap dress. It's a gingham print, and I think it's just really cute for not only summertime, but specifically for the beach. I decided to pair it with some really comfy wedges, and it's just a really cute look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my nail polish information in the description box below. Leave a comment on this video and let me know what you want to see from me next. Au revoir!